With the power of the internet today, you can easily earn excellent money online. You just need to know how and have a free automated system in place. That is what we provide. Now, anyone can afford to have success with our free traffic, free live support, and free website setup included. Now is your time to stop working for someone else and making them rich. Be smart and work for yourself. Don't waste another minute of your life working for that someone and making them rich. There are millions of people just like you that want more information. There is no selling, there is no cold calling, and no chasing your prospects ever. This is a very simple and easy program. You just relax, sit back, and wait for the money to come in. You can easily multiply your efforts without ever being there. There is no selling, no prospecting, and no cold calling. This is the hands-off opportunity that you've been looking for. It's really simple. Plus, when your people find members, guess what? You still get paid. People do not need jobs. They need money. This is an incredible opportunity. Our admin will set everything up for you. Everything is completely automated and it's free. Admin will create your member's website just like they did for me. That's it. We urge you to become a member today and be in a position to earn excellent money. Our fully automated system will give you everything you need to start a legitimate online business with marketing strategies that work. This opportunity will deliver guaranteed payments to you from each of your members. The sooner you start, the faster you are in position to receive. Your future success is now, right here. Please review the site, then reach out to us with any questions. Help yourself and help others reach the success they are looking for. Simply post a few ads, and admin will take care of the rest. Persistence is the key to success. Just don't quit. Keep going. Remember this: a winner never quits, and a quitter never wins. We are looking forward to working with you. What are you waiting for? Start right now and change your life forever. Thanks for watching, and keep reaching for the stars.